March 3, 1 a.m. So, gabi. Hello? Um, Simon calling. Answer, of course. Hang up. Arg! Space for next. Hello? Simon. Yo, bro, it's Simon. Simon? What the hell do you want now? Man, I need you to come to my workplace now. Immediately. I need help. And you're the only one I can call. Okay, bro, I'm coming. I'm coming. Thanks, man. You're the real one. I'm the kasama mo sa day ones mo. 15 minutes later. Okay, 15 minutes later. 15 minuto ang lumipas. Get inside and find Simon. Okay. And find you, Simon. Okay, but ang baba ng sensitivity nito. Oh, masyado mataas. Okay. Is that you, Simon? Is that you? Ba't di ka mukha siya? Simon, oh, there you are. I'm so glad that you came. I promise I won't keep you here for long. Yeah, you sounded pretty urgent on the phone. What's going on? Nothing serious. I just have to step out for a bit and take care of something. Shouldn't be more than a few minutes. You dragged me all the way here just so I could babysit an empty building? What the heck, bro? Exactly. I just need someone to keep an eye on the security camera while I'm gone, okay? You know, just in case someone try to break in. Okay, ang sakit talaga ng labi ko. Nagbabalat. Okay, break in. What do you mean break in? That's a comforting thing you to hear 5 seconds after walking in. Kung nag-walk in lang tayo, relax, relax. It's probably nothing. I just prefer for not leaving the place completely unattended. Right, probably nothing. That sounds reassuring. Look, the camera monitors are right over there. Just stay here and watch them. Okay, sino naman papanoorin ko? If anything weird shows up, you'll see it immediately. Oh man, ayoko ng ganun, please lang. Define weird because that word can mean a lot of things, yeah. Let's hope you won't have to find out. My kulay ka. You're really selling this job, you know that. Oh, if you get hungry, there's a slice of pizza on the table in the storage room. Okay, thank you. A single slice of pizza as a payment? Wow, Simon, you really went all out. Oo nga. Ba't may hati tayo sa allowance mo, dude? May hati tayo dapat sa allowance mo, bro. Hey, it's a good slice. What the heck, good slice? Isang pirasong good slice. It, it better be. Anyway, thanks again for doing this. I'll be back soon. Just watch the cameras. You'll see you in a bit. Okay. So, is this storage? This is storage room and what? Here, there's a bathroom. So, check na natin. Like, company tour. Okay, yun yung dapat hindi ko makita. My bad. Oh, may gulay. Anong office to? Like, warehouse? This is a warehouse? R&B? Look at the camera too. Look at the camera too. Ano zoom in, zoom out lang. So, that's what Simon does all night. Ano yung minimum sahod niya every night? Interesting. I'm kinda hungry. And I heard there's a pizza slice waiting for me. Let me go check it out. Where's the freaking pizza, bro? At saan yung banda? Oh, you mean this one? Yeah, yun yung delikadong. Whoa! Ah, crap, the power is off. Good thing I've brought my flashlight. Should go back and switch. Turn the power on. What the heck, bro? Jump scare? Oh my kulay. Oh, may tao sa likod mo, yeah? Yeah, si Springtrap yan. Let's Springtrap. Oh, may kulay. So, yung power natin, di ba si Simon sa loob? Oh, man, ang dilim. What the heck, bro? Ang layo. Yeah, I'm expecting a jump scare. Oh, man. Hello? Okay, nagsarado yung pinto doon sa likod. I mean, dito sa harap. Nagsarado siya, guys. Yeah. Nag-expect ako may jump scare. Ang okay ko lang ba? Go and check the cameras. Look at the camera 4. Yo, what is that? Machete? That wasn't there. That? That? I should probably go and check it out. Oh, may gulay. Machete, bro. Put it in a mysterious package. You mean papatayin ako gamit yung machete na yon? Oh, wow, that's weird. I swear I saw a package box standing right there. I know it's late, but there is no way I'm tripping. Or maybe I'm tired anyway. I gotta look at the camera again. May nakapasok na sa loob pustahan. I'm expecting jump scare, guys. I'm expecting jump scare. Oh, Simon! Your turn. Talk to Simon. I think that's not Simon. Is that Simon? Already back, bro? Yeah, I told you that it won't take long. Tell me, man, was there any problems? You mean, I think siya yung guys, like, siya yung naglagay ng box. I don't know, like, ay, pagtitiripan niya o papatay niya tayo. About business ba to? Anything weird, suspicious? Well, good! Now, you're free to go, buddy. I owe you a beer for this for sure, my friend. Now, you can go home and get some rest. Thank you for tonight. See you soon. Well, no. Nakabahan ako. Please. Please, Simon. Please, Simon. Please. Huwag mo akong pauwiin, Simon. Please lang. May butchery doon. May butchery, Simon. Okay. May machete box pala. So, gusto mo ba talaga umuwi? Okay. Sorry guys, natakot lang talaga ako. May trauma ako sa mga ganung bagay. Like, okay, tatawagin naman si Simon. March 5. Okay, tatawagin naman si Simon. Mama you? Wow, wow, wow. Si? Si Simon na naman. Simon! Ah, Simon, it's almost 2 a.m. What do you want now? Man! Yes? Can you please come here and watch the cameras again? Again? It's really urgent now. I think your sister, my my wife is cheating on me. So, bayaw kita. So, bayaw ko si Simon, guys. And there's only one way to find out. What? Mia? You sure? You've known her since our childhood. Oh, so childhood friend natin si Simon. She loves you. I'm sure she would never do that. Just please, come on. Here. Will you? Okay, fine. But be smart. I'm coming. 17 minutes. That's kinda, late. Get inside and find Simon. Oh! There you are. Akala ko pinatay mo na yung kapatid ko kasi nag-cheat siya sa'yo. Talk to Simon. Simon. Okay. I gotta hurry up. I check her location. She's near us. She should be home sleeping. But she is not. Simon, chill. It's probably nothing. Like baka niloko ka lang ng Waze. Maybe she got hungry and went out to eat. I prepare everything for her. All food, movies to watch, everything. Just to make sure she never leaves the house. I don't know. Kumukha ko si Simon, bro, hell no. Kumukha! Ay, di ko magiging kamukha yung ganyan. Like, bro, kung alam niyo lang, parang yung kalahati ng mukha niya, minirror lang. Alam niyo, may mga gantong asawa eh. Like, ayaw na nila lumabas yung asawa nilang babae. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam bakit. Kasi, sa bagay, anong oras na rin naman na, tapos lalabas pa yung asawa nilang babae. Like, it's kind of suspicious, you know. Pero, pwede naman may food panda naman, Lalamove and everything, Grab. Basta lahat. Pwede ka mag-order online na, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. I'll be right back. Simon, just chill, man. Let me check the camera real quick. Huwag mo sabihin papatay niya yung kapatid natin. Siya ba yung butchery? Camera too. Weird. That's the camera monitoring the generator. I should go over there and check it out. Check the power generator area. Oh my god. Saan yung banda? I think, kalaban natin si Simon. There's the power generator area. Here ba? Nope. Ito ba dyan sa likod ng puno? Ito ba yun? Ito ba yung CCTV na yun? Nope. Well, everything here seems fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's completely fine. What? Whoa! What was that? I need to get back to the security room and call the police. Of course, kapatid mo yun, bro. Pinatay na ni Simon yung kapatid mo. Pinatay na ni Simon yung kapatid niya. Siguro yun ng babae, guys. No, hell na, bro. Ulo na lang ng... What? Ano bang tono nito? Like, what? Like, or what? Or, what? Parang ganun, I don't know. What? Is that a human head? You mean your sister's head? I need to call the police. Right now. Oh, please, no. I'll use my flashlight then. Let's turn the power back on. No. Simon's gonna cook us, bro. Simon? What the hell? I'm sorry, Mike. But you know, she really deserves it. Bro, ang creepy niya. Ba't parang kamukha si Jeff the Killer? Ba't kamukha? No, please, no. Tell me you're not talking about Mia. Oh, you don't be sad, buddy. Let's just say you'll be meeting her soon. No, hell no. Please. So, umulit yung game. What the heck, bro? Alam ko na agad, bro. I'm from the past. You know, ginamit ko yung time stone and ni-rewind back ko. Okay. Okay. Ano dapat kailangan natin gawin? Tatakbo ba tayo? Okay, check the camera. Okay. Ay, si Simon. Hindi ko alam saan siya pumunta. Oh, my gulay. Okay, wag natin close yan. You have the reincarnation, bro. Ito Takbo ba tayo? What the heck, bro? So this... Okay. May sisigaw na. Ito ba yung sa loob? Okay, we're cooked. I think open natin to para makatakbo tayo dito sa labas. I think... Yeah. Hindi tayo tatakbo, guys. Hindi tayo tatakbo. Okay, check the camera. May ulo ni Mia. What? Is that a human head? Okay. Simon. Okay. Medyo malayo siya sa atin. Medyo malayo siya sa ating banda. What the hell? Takbo! Takbo! Bilisan mo! Hindi nyo nakita yung reaction ko, guys. Please tell me, hindi nyo nakita. 49, 45 minutes. Mia. My Mia. How could I let this happen to you? Oh, Simon. You're going to burn in the hell for this. You look really strange, though. Well, like, he was demonically possessed. Yeah, nagkakaiba siya. Those evil minds will definitely send him straight to hell. Mia, my sister, I'm going to avenge you. Oh, so ginamit 30 minutes later. Ipi-place ba natin yung first the mine in the van? The generator? Oh man, kinakabahan ako. Baka mamaya na si Simon. What the heck? Ano? Place the last mine in front of the building. Escape. Ay, sa likod lang natin siya. Okay, sumabog. Okay. The end. So, yun yung chapter 1. Okay, may chapter 1. So, may chapter 2 pa, guys. May chapter 2 pa. Okay. Let's play. Okay, chapter 2. In chapter 3, coming soon. The game name is Simon's Shift. So, si Simon. Yes, si Simon. So, chapter 2. Okay. Ito yung connect. Ito na yung connected. Like, ito yung sunod na nangyari. Sumabog. Uy! Kamay ba yan? Oh, kamay nga ni Simon. Tapos may kutsilyo. Oh. So, Simon is alive, bro. 3 weeks later. Hello, doctor. Kumukha mo si Johnny Sins. Ugh! What? Where am I? So, sumabog yung pagkaalis natin? Easy. You're in the hospital. Hospital? What happened? You become unconscious for 3 weeks. 3 weeks? Ano ako, si Captain America? No, that's not possible. Where's Mia? Oh, ito na si ano. Sino nga tayo? Nakalimutan ko. Basta ito si Simon yung nabuhay ulit. So, I think babalikan niya tayo. Like, napanood niyo na ba yung Halloween, si Michael Myers? Parang ganun lang. Mia? Where is he? Pugot na yung ulo. I'm sorry. I don't know anyone by that name. Mia, sir, please calm down. You were found after a major explosion. So, madami nga tayo doon sa pagsabog. Storage facility downtown. Explosion? The authorities are still investigating. They want you to speak with you soon. So, tayo may kagawan nun. Tayo yung tayo may pakananong lahat. Bakit sumabog yon? Well, pinagiganti lang naman natin yung kapatid natin. Kahit ako, kung tutusin, kung ako nangyari sa kapatid ko, pagiganti ko naman. Kahit sino naman siguro. Kahit sino naman siguro sa inyo, sa mga nanonood. For now, you need rest. I'll come back when the officers arrive. Okay. Okay, magpapahinga lang tayo. 2 hours later. As always, like 2 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay. Ayun yung officer. Sagot tayo ah. Si John Simpson, kasama niya si, I don't know, but sino kumukha niya? Mr. Carter. Yeah? I'm Officer Bennett. I know you've been through a lot of, but I need to ask you a few questions. Okay. What's the last thing you remember? I was just passing by near the storage. Oh. Mali. So, gumawa tayo ng kwento. Passing by? At that hour? No. Pinapunta ako ni Simon, tapos pinapunta ako ni Simon para bantayan yung CCTV camera niya, and also, pinasabog ni Simon yung building, kaya ako nadamay. Ganyan na lang dapat. Di marunong gumawa ng kwento to, di marunong magsinungaling. No, di ko yung gawain, biro lang. Yeah. I couldn't sleep. Went for a walk. But hindi mo lang sabihin na pinatay yung kapatid mo. Did you enter the building? No. Did you see anyone else? No. Do you know what caused the explosion? I did, but I'm gonna answer you no. No, officer. That. Most of the evidence was destroyed. Yeah, wala yung CCTV, sumabog. We don't have much time to go on. If anything comes back to you, anything at all, you contact us immediately. I will. Get some rest. We'll be in touch. Okay. So, papahinga lang tayo ulit after interviewin ng doctor. In-interview naman tayo ng police 8 hours later. So yeah, we're gonna talk to Larry. Who's the heck is Larry? Oh. Bro, na-accident rin ba siya? Ba't parang naangiti siya? Larry. Oh! You're awake. Good. Thought I'd be the only one staring at the ceiling tonight. Name's Larry. That. Yeah, Hey, no rush. You don't have to talk if you don't feel like it. Took me a while to. That. First time I woke up in here, I thought I was dead. Akala mo lang yun. Everything felt quiet. Too quiet. They said you were out of for a while. Yeah, I don't remember much. That might be a good thing. Some things are better left blurry. Oh. Me? I've been here a long time. Long enough to start liking the food. Seriously? No. It's terrible. You got anyone waiting for you out there? That. Nope, wala na. That. Oh, I don't need to answer that. I apologize. I've got my daughter, Mia. So, yung asawa ni Simon, yung kapatid natin, Mia yung name. So, yung anak nito, ni Larry, Mia rin. So, parang, is this a coincidence? Haven't seen her for a while, but I will. You're getting out? That's what they told me. Stable. Recovered. Big words. You mean big words in 2026? You excited? I think so. I keep imagining her face. So patay na rin ba yung anak niya? Like she never stopped smiling. What about you? You feel okay? I guess. That's a start. Don't rush it. Whatever happened, you made it. That counts for something. Okay, tinadaldal niya ako, guys. Oh, we got the complimentary horror game flashlight habang nakaiga. 6 hours later. Okay. Oh, so nakabukas. What the freak, bro? Parang nakatayo siya. Parang natitipuan niya tayo pag once na yung ibang, kung nakikita niyo yung ibang nasa truck driver, I mean sa mga truck, tapos nasa passenger seat yung ibang lalaki, tapos nakatingin sila sa mga babae. Parang ganun yung tingin nito. Sarap sa pakin. Hey, you're up again. Figured you'd be hungry. Thanks. Don't mention it. Eat? You mean what you mean eat? Oh! Well, thank you. Talk to Larry again? You sleep okay? Yeah, I think so. That's good. Sleep's important. Keeps things. Well, maganda yung mga gantong kaibigan, dinadaldal ka, tapos hindi ka magre-response. Like, may yapper, sa duo talaga, may yapper and also may listener. Gusto ko yung mga gantong kaibigan yung madaldal. Kasi ako madaldal ako eh. So, need ko ng kaibigan na nakikinig. But, I had a dream earlier. Well, I'm a listener also. I was already home. Mia opened the door, but she didn't say anything. Wait, don't tell me na. Is that a dream? What do you mean? Just stood there, smiling. Didn't feel like her. That. Anyway, I'm leaving soon. That's what they say. Today? Yeah, wow. Well, congrats, bro. Any moment now, I guess. Good luck, Larry. I hope makita mo ulit yung anak mo. Hindi lang siya panaginip. 8 hours later again, so bali, 16 hours na yung lumipas. What? Oh, I think the light bulb just died. I should let the nurse know. Find the nurse? So, you mean this one? Ba't tayo nakakatakbo? Alex. What? Alex yung name niya? That. You're here too, right? Here what? The boss! What are you talking about? Between things. Like something. Stopping. And staring again. That. Don't worry. I think he hasn't noticed you yet. Alex. Well, normal lang naman sa game. I mean, normal lang naman na may name na Alex. Baka para makatulog ka na maayos. Pero, yeah, my bad, sorry. Oh, may nakulong. Oh. I need ko. Oh. May matanda naman na lalaki. Walter. Oh! You're not one of them. What? Good. That's good. They walk different, you know. Who? The ones that don't belong here. They don't blink enough. I think you're confused. Huh? Hindi ko talaga mag-voice acting eh, no? That's what they told me. That. What room are you in? Down the hall. Stay right there. Don't wander too much. Why? Because sometimes you leave your room and something else goes back in. That. But it's never the same. No, what does he mean, bro? Can we interrupt this one? No, we can't. So we're gonna find the nurse. The freaking nurse. Oh, there you are, bro. Nurse. Hey, tayo pala. Hey, sorry. The light in our room just went out. Oh, again? Yeah, we've been having issues with those. Can someone fix it? Not tonight. Maintenance gone. New bulbs are coming in tomorrow morning. So what do I do? Ah, tayo pala yan. So what do I do until then? Here, take care of this. Flashlight. Press F to use. Okay. It's not much, but I'll do for now. Just bring it back in the morning, alright? Yeah, thanks. Try to get some rest. Of course. Talk to Larry. Who the heck is Larry? Oh, si Larry, yung kaibigan natin. Yung madaldal. Where's Larry? Oh, nandun sa room. Hey, Larry. Larry? Oh, there you are. So, tol, bukas pa raw maayos yung ilaw. So, yeah. I think mas better na flashlight na lang. Pwede ako gumawa ng parang dog. No, so the butterfly. Para mapasaya ka. Hey! I got a flashlight. We can't fix the light until tomorrow. We can use this if we need anything. Oh, that's alright. I think I'll just sleep through it. Yeah. Not much to do in the dark anyway. I'm pretty tired. They said I was supposed to leave today. Guess they're a little late. Happens. Tatatat. I'll just get some good sleep. Make the time pass faster. Tomorrow morning, I'll be out of here. Finally. Yeah. So natulog lang kami ulit. 1:48 a.m. So 1:48. What the heck? Ito Larry! Larry! Bro! Nangingisay si Larry! Larry! Oh my gulay, no! Ba't parang nag-gok-gok-gok-gok-gok siya? Larry, can you hear me? Larry! What the? What? Oh man, Simon's here. Simon! Oh no, I gotta call the nurse. Larry, calm down, bro. I gotta call the nurse. What? Wala na yung ibang pasyente. About this one. Te! May seizure yung kasama ko. Larry is having a seizure. Oh my! Bro! Bro, kala mo siya yung ano, si Messi. Kala mo siya si Messi yung tumatakbo, like, nagsasoccer siya, 2:15 a.m., okay. I hope Larry's okay. I hope Larry's fine. Hey, Doc. You're awake. Larry, is he? I'm afraid he didn't make it. No, please don't tell me that, bro. I mean, Doc. It was sudden. We're still trying to understand what happened. He was fine earlier. Yes. That's what concerns me. I saw something. What do you mean? When it happened, you mean si Simon. He was seizing, and for a second... Simon! Nasa loob na siya! Oh my gulay. You're right. Mr. Carter. No? Someone's behind you. Okay bro, tumatayo yung balahibo ko. What the heck? Di naman siya creepy na game. Like, hindi siya nakakatakot literal. Pero ewan ko bakit tumatayo yung balahibo ko. Someone's behind you, sir. Look! What you witness is very traumatic. He's behind you! It's normal that you could have hallucinations. Behind you! Okay, what a great ass, bro. Oh, you're hallucinating, Mike. He was. Yes. Now get some rest. You need it. Wala naniniwala sa atin, guys. Wala naniniwala sa atin, dude. It's 3:33 a.m. You mean what I call is ano yun? Demon R, ganun? You gotta be kidding me. Light bulb die again. I should let the nurse know. What? What? Oh my. What the frick? Lily? Oh, yung Miss Lily, who did this? Of course, Simon, bro. Naputulan siya ng paa. So, runner kasi si Lily. Ayun yung kahinaan niya, guys. How about this one? Kulay. Wala ng ulo. Simon? Hello? How about this guy? Close that door. Is he breathing? Oh, gumagalaw siya. May saksak lang. Listen! What the hell is going on? It's him! He's just appeared. The lights went out. And he was in my room. Look her. In the drawer next to me. One bullet. One? That's all you need. Go to your room. Turn the lights off. Wait. When he steps in, shoot him. Don't miss. Take the two. This one. Go to your bed. Oh my god, dude. If we miss, we die. Okay, guys. So, all nights must be off. Complete dark. Only one bullet in gun. Wait for him in the dark. When I hear him, I see him. Shoot. Okay, shoot. I miss, I die. Okay. Ba't parang may seizure tayo? Ba't kinakabahan ako? Oh my gulay, kinakabahan ako, guys. Oh my gulay. Oh, what the heck? Kinakabahan ako. Turn off the light and wait for him. Okay. Nabaril ko. And I'm gonna die, bro. I'm die. I think mali. Wait lang. Oh! Ulitin ko sana yung game eh. What the heck? So, galing siya dun. Hindi siya galing, okay. Hindi siya galing. Oh my gulay. Whoa! What? Oh, nabaril ko siya. Ano ka ngayon, Simon? Nangiti pa siya. Oh. Oh no, is that? Police! That's it. I'm officially done. All these bodies. They gonna say it's me. Mass murderer. Surrender the police. What? Oh. My only hope. Sino yung baril nila? Matibato ko ah. So what happened next? The end. of chapter 2. Need ko pa ng chapter 3. Baka tayo naman yung magiging rebelde. If you enjoy this series, and want chapter 3 to happen, your support means everything. I'm gonna support you, bro. If sino mo may gawa nitong game na to, ang ganda, ang galing. So, need ko yung chapter 3 niya, guys. Need ko yung chapter 3, okay. Blowing up your own indie projects. Check out my YouTube channel, Red Cap Games. Okay, I need the chapter 3, Red Caps. So, ang ganda nung game. Ang ganda nung game, guys. Like, I swear, I promise. Like, una, pinakabantayan tayo ni Simon. O Simon, I don't know. Basta, same lang yun, Simon and Simon. Pinakabantayan niya lang tayo sa CCTV and nahuli niya daw yung kapatid natin na asawa niya na cheater daw. And pinatay niya. And I don't know, like, parang anong nangyari sa kanya? Like, siguro, pag sa kadahilan ng obsessed siya dun sa kapatid natin, I think. Yung naging dahilan, ba't siya, mahawak ng kutsilyo, tapos pinatay, then tayo na sinunod niya. And once na nakatakas tayo, nilagyan natin ng bomba yung buong building, and sumabog. And yung nagkaroon ng chapter 2, yun yung chapter 2, and also, nabuhay siya. Buhay siya, in hospital tayo, napunta tayo sa hospital, kasama natin si Larry. And si Larry, I don't know if ano nangyari sa kanya. Trauma rin ba siya dun kay Simon? Like, I don't know, ba't kasi siya nagkaroon ng seizure. Like, nabaliw siya. Tapos, dun naman sa vision natin, sinasaksak siya ni Simon, di ba? If nakita nyo, magiging maganda yung chapter 3 nito. Tumakas tayo dun sa hospital. And I think, sa atin lilipat yung kung anong nangyari dun kay Simon. I think, gano'n lang siguro. And sisihin tayo ng mga pulis, hulihin tayo. Well, hindi natin alam. Only time will tell, Katoto. And yeah, I think, yun lang yung game na yun. So, maraming salamat sa manonood. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibago kong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you sa inyo, guys. And yeah, kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.